Hi everyone, welcome to my new channel. Today we're exploring Quirino State University Cavarugis campus, a campus bursting with energy and opportunity. Magsimula tayo sa Registrar Building. Sa pagpasok mo pa lang ay makikita mo na ang kursong BAELS or the Bachelor of Arts in English Language Studies. This is the building of BS Math or Bachelor of Science in Mathematics and Bachelor of Elementary Education or the BEd. Makikita mo ang building na ito sa likod ng Registrar Building sa kanan. Sa gitna ng BSCE at BEd building ay makikita mo rin dito ang building ng BSBA or the Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management. At sa tabi naman nito ay makikita mo rin ang BSCE building or the Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering. Sa loob ng BSCE building, makikita natin ang mga ginawa ng Civil Engineering student na kanilang mga requirements. This building is the building of BSHM or the Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management. Sa loob nito makikita ang kagandahan ng hotel campus sa entrance nito. Sa baba ng BSHM ay makikita mo rin ang building ng BSM or the Bachelor of Science in Midwifery. Ito ang daan papunta sa Knowledge Center at Ardet Building. The library building or the knowledge center is home for a quiet study for researching and information about the topic in a one major subject or a course. Ang RDET building is more on research center. Both teacher and student ay pumupunta sa building na ito para magklase, especially the students. Sa baba ng library building at RDET building naman ay ang BS Crim or the Bachelor of Science in Criminology and the BSCS or Bachelor of Science in Computer Science. Sa tapat ng building ng BS Crim at BSCS ay ang building ng Student Center, School Canteen, Clinic Building sa first floor at sa second floor naman ito ay ang office ng OSAS sa right side and the left side ay ang Student Center. This building is the marketing center and in the second floor is the office of the university president, office of the campus administrator, and the office of the dean on instruction. We can see this building in the right side of the registrar building. This is the way to go to the dorm building, but before the dorm building, we can see the other mini school canteen in the left side. Beyond the academics and activities, Quirino State University Cabarugis Campus offers a beautiful and welcoming environment, plenty of green space to relax and unwind, making it the perfect place to learn, grow, and thrive.